Another company coming to life is Digital World acquisition. You can see since the beginning of the year, price is up more than 100% after taking out the resistance level at $26. However, the next battle is going to be this $60 level, which is now serving as resistance. Now the surge began specifically on January 16th, and then you had another surge on January 22nd when it hit the resistance band before pulling back. And then this past week we had another gap higher. So now if you don't know about Digital World acquisition, you are about to know about them by the end of this video. So earlier this week, the US SEC allowed Donald Trump's medias and technology company to merge with a blank check acquisition vehicle, also known as a SPAC, in a deal that currently values the parent of his social media app, Truth Social, at as much as $10 billion. Seems that Donald stays winning. The value assigned to the deal by the stock market has jumped more than threefold since January as Trump tightened his grip on the Republican nomination for president. Trump will own between 58 and 69% of the combined company, depending on the extent to which investors back the deal. Now, Trump may divest his stake in Truth Social and seize any involvement in its management based on how his bid for president goes. Now, Digital World Acquisition Corp., the shell vehicle merging with Trump's company, said in a regulatory filing on Wednesday. Now, since Digital World inked its merger agreement with TMTG in October of 2021, it has been the target of investigation by the U.S. Department of Justice, ousted its chief executive, and shook up its board. It also reached an $18 million settlement with the SEC over inaccurate disclosures. Now again, digital shares rose 16% to $50.49 in afternoon trading on Thursday at the stock price, and assuming no Digital World shareholders exercise the right to redeem their shares, the combined company would be worth $10 billion, and Trump would own a 58% stake worth about $4 billion. Now, Trump has about 6.6 million followers on Truth Social compared to more than 88 million followers he had on X when the platform permanently suspended him, and the 87.4 million followers he currently has on that platform. All right, so can price go higher? Yeah. I mean, just look at Supermicro Computer, look at Nvidia, look at the stock market, look at Bitcoin. But the next test is going to be the $60 level. How does it look on the weekly chart? Here's what I'm referring to. This was resistance, was support, and is now resistance once again. So how high can it go? If this level is breached and you get closes above it, the next level I would be looking at is this little level of interest. Right around the $74 level. So two things. You get a breach and a close. There's not a lot of room for price to go after that, as it's going to run into this level, which is a weekly sell level. Drop in price, 2 basic candles, and the drop. So let's see what happens as this year transpires. We are in an election year, and depending on what transpires in the months ahead could dictate where price heads next. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.